I was given this Pro 4000A car jumper in exchange for this video. So let's go over the features and I'll show you how to use it. It's important to note that this is a very, very potent charger, meant to charge 10-liter gas engines or up to 9-liter diesel engines. It'll start my 5.6 truck over here in a heartbeat. It's not going to be having any issue at all with this little SUV. You'll find that it works in about 3 seconds, even in cold weather. It's important to know that when you're keeping this in your car, that it can jumpstart over 50 times on just one charge. It also doubles as a fast charging power bank for your phones and tablets. When you first turn it on, you'll see how well the unit is charged. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars. You can also, when you plug it into your car, it'll tell you the voltage of your battery. So that's important to know how weak the battery is that you're charging. When you press this button, it actually gives you a flashlight. Press it again, it starts flashing so that it'll help alert people that you're in trouble. And one more time, you'll have multiple flashing red lights to also alert people that you need help. On the side here, you'll see the tab that says Jump Start. Go ahead and open that bay up. You'll see 2 leads there. If you'll notice, one is flat, one is round. One is flat, one is round. So you can't make a mistake. In this case, you want to hook up your ground to the black, hook up your red to the power. Did you hear it beep? That's telling you it's ready to start your car. There we go. It's that simple. Now that I know how easy this is and how good it works, I wouldn't be caught without one. Check it out.